All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, we are going to be ripping this little DEERC. This is a little, I think it's a 1/18 scale they call it. We're just going to rip it out here in this dirt, and then at the end of this video, I'm going to show you everything that does come with it and how to put the batteries in this car. To turn this on, you're just going to pick up this side, and there's going to be a little red button in there you'll hold in, and it turns on. Turn the controller on. We're going to turn the speed. Actually, I have the speed all the way down. I'll start on the slow setting, then we'll turn it all the way up. All right, here we go. All right, this is all the way down. There we go. Oh, you're stuck. All right, that's the slow speed. Let's turn her all the way up. That's too boring. And oh, whoa, yeah. Yeah, right there, smooth. Yep, I got all that. Oh. Yeah, I don't think we're putting the 3S battery on. This thing will take a 3S battery. That's crazy.
It creates so much dust.
Yeah. Nice. It's hard to control. Whoa! Oh, I went over a brick.
It's kind of fun.
It's a cool little car. It runs. All right, that's it for this DEERC RC car. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day. And if you want to check out one of these, I will have a link to one of these down in my description. All right, this is everything that comes in the box with this DEERC 308E. It is a brushless motor, full-wheel drive. Comes with the manual, and I've run these DEERC before. Their manuals are actually pretty nice, very easy to understand. There's actually a list in here that will show you every single part that is on this car and all the part numbers in case you end up breaking something. You should be able to order a new part. It does come with new clips in case you lose any clips, but actually the clips that are on this car are hooked onto the body, so you shouldn't lose any of them. It comes with two 2S batteries. This is one. I have one in the car right now, and it will take 3S batteries, but it does not come with the 3S batteries. The 2S batteries, trust me, are going to be plenty fast enough. Comes with a charger, comes with 4 little bolts and 4 little nuts in case you end up taking something apart in there and you need more bolts and nuts. And it comes with this little wrench. You can use this actually too to check your tires, make sure they're on there tight. Little brush to keep things clean, and a little screwdriver. And then you got the controller. You will need to get 3 AA batteries that go in here. Right there. On the controller itself, you got the on-off switch. You got steering control that will change the steering to if it's steering a little to the right, a little to the left. Then you got the speed control. If you turn this one here all the way down, it's going to go real slow. So if you first start this up and you think, wow, it's going slow, turn this one all the way to the right. And then you will get your full speed. But if you've never run an RC car before, maybe turn it all the way to the left. So all the way counterclockwise. Clockwise is the fastest it's going to go. Then you got the 1/18 scale car. You just take these little clips off like that, and that body will come off. And see, they're hooked on there, so you don't have to worry about losing them. That's really nice. I like when they do that. Then you got underneath here, this is where the battery goes. And I like to Velcro this is the one that you would use to, yeah, that's what you're gonna plug into the charger. But you can keep that out of the way by putting under that Velcro strap. You got the brushless motor over here. This is your ESC, and it is waterproof. So you don't have to worry if you go through a little bit of water. I don't recommend submerging this in like a lake. That'd probably be a bad idea. But then you got metal gears, you got metal differentials, metal drive shafts in this. You can see them down in there. They're all metal right there. And there's a metal one going through the center of this too. These gears down here are metal. And they say there's oil in these shocks. I don't know, I'm not tearing the shocks all apart to find out, but then you got a wheelie bar too. You will definitely need that if you try this with 3S battery. Yeah, that's about it. Really nice little car. It's very, very durable. See, pretty nice little car.